Hey Don, it's James down at Orfordville, Wisconsin at Burton Chevrolet. This is the 2009. I wanted to wash it, but it's too cold, but it's actually really clean. And I'm going slow. There's no wavering on the door panels, on the fenders. They look like $1,000,000. So it's a Tahoe LTZ, so you know it's nicely loaded. It's got the sunroof. We'll get inside and start it up. But again, I'll go slower, we're in the shade, but it doesn't look like a 2009. I mean, it's crazy. You've been looking around the country, so you know. So it starts right up. We honestly did a price drop on Monday. I wasn't making any sales thing up. And then I just wanted to let you see the mileage is 120, 754. So the only ding on this machine is a little bit high mileage, but how is, you know, for an 12-year-old vehicle, you're really talking like 9,000 miles a year, 8,500. So it's obviously stored inside. But give me a call, 608-921-8001. I'd love to have you stop down. If I know you're coming, I'll pull it aside because it's 2.5 hours. We'll talk soon.